Understanding Industry Standards in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important concept that you might come across in various contexts: industry standards. Understanding this term can help you navigate through professional environments more effectively. So, let's break it down together and make sure you're comfortable with its usage and implications. Industry standards refer to the guidelines, norms, and practices that are widely accepted and followed within a specific industry. These standards can include product quality, safety measures, technical specifications, and service levels. They are established by consensus among professionals in the field and are often developed through experience and expertise. Industry standards ensure a certain level of uniformity and reliability across products and services within an industry. Industry standards play a crucial role in the business world. They ensure compatibility and interoperability between products and services, making it easier for consumers and businesses to use them together. Standards also enhance safety and quality, protecting consumers and boosting their confidence in the products or services they use. For businesses, adhering to industry standards can increase competitiveness and open up new markets. They also provide a clear framework for innovation and improvement. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. In the technology sector, standards like USB for connectivity and IEEE 802.11 for wireless networking ensure devices from different manufacturers can work together seamlessly. In manufacturing, ISO 9001 specifies requirements for quality management systems, ensuring products meet customer and regulatory requirements. In the food industry, HACCP, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, guidelines help manage food safety through the analysis and control of biological, chemical, and physical hazards. Staying informed about industry standards is vital for professionals. You can do this by joining professional organizations related to your field, which often provide resources and updates on standards. Attending industry conferences and seminars, where experts discuss current standards and future developments. Subscribing to industry publications, which regularly feature articles on standards and best practices. Participating in training programs that focus on industry standards and their implementation. Understanding and adhering to industry standards is key to professional success and innovation. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned professional, or just curious about how industries operate, grasping the concept of industry standards will serve you well. We hope this video has shed light on what industry standards are and why they're so important. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful insights in our next video.